The visualization walls are located on the first floor of the Riddell Library and Learning Center in the Ideas Lounge and the Visualization Classroom. These gathering spaces are designed to support library and campus programming with public lectures and other interactive events. The large interactive touchscreen displays can be used to manipulate and display multiple sources at once. Sources that can be viewed on the wall include a built-in desktop computer, external laptops plugged in via HDMI, DVD players, video game consoles, mobile devices, and more. The cameras in these spaces can be used to video conference or record a presentation by plugging in an external storage device. Capacity for the Ideas Lounge ranges from 35 to 80 depending on the seating arrangement. Capacity for the Visualization Classroom is 35 users. These spaces come equipped with wireless microphones. If you are interested in finding out more about these spaces, visit the links below.